I am digital meteorologist Irene. We continue to have clearing skies across parts of central Florida. The main bulk of the thunderstorm activity at this time of the afternoon, it's mainly focused across southern Florida. Now, for us, we did have, I would say, two batches of thunderstorms. So the first one crossed over Lake County, then over to Volusia County, and then later on in the morning, one pretty strong over Polk County that actually crossed and moved to the southeast to southern Osceola County and then Indian River County. Now, conditions have drastically improved across the region. We are expecting dry air to filter in, and with this, not only in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but also in the lower levels of the atmosphere, we're not going to have a lot of humidity. Remember, the dew points measure how much water vapors in the atmosphere. The lower the dew point, the drier it is. 38 degrees in Tallahassee, very dry. Orlando, we're getting there, 62, but I promise you that by this afternoon, it will feel a lot drier. In fact, you can get a little shock when you're going to touch any metal object, such as your car door or maybe any door that's made out of metal. So, conditions will remain dry, and then the winds will also start to be rather strong. It's not going to be a completely windy day, but it will be breezy at times. Gusts could be reaching anywhere between 20 to 25 knots across inland portions, and then across the coastal around 25 miles per hour. There is a red flag warning that will remain in place at least until 10 p.m. this Thursday evening. Very dry air, so be careful if you're doing any type of burnings. Today is not the day. We have strong winds, and the winds could easily spread the fire. Now, if you're heading out on your boat, there is a small craft advisory in effect tonight through Friday night. The winds will be mainly out of the northwest, up to 20 knots or 25 knots across parts of Volusia and Flagler County. The lows tonight will be a little bit chilly. We're talking about temperatures going down to the low 50s, but this is not only going to be it, because on Saturday morning, the temperatures will be dropping to the upper 40s. So we will get at least 2 days, 2 solid mornings with temperatures a little bit chilly for us Floridians. Now, the highs will be very comfortable as well. Remember, we're going to have very dry air in place, and this will make the temperatures feel a lot nicer. 75 degrees for this Friday, 77 for Saturday, and in the lower 80s as we start the beginning of next week. Stay tuned for more. I am digital certified meteorologist Irene Sands.